Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error name resolution failed error code 137 on your Google Chrome web browser, that it says that this site can't be reached and that the web page ad, whatever example you want to use here, might be temporarily down or may have moved permanently to a new address. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig followed by a space and then a /flush DNS. Only one space in all of this, and that is between the ipconfig and the / before the flush DNS. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with successfully flushed DNS resolver cache. If you see anything other than that here, that means you typed it in wrong, so you're going to have to type it back in again. And then once you've run that successfully, you're going to type in netsh space winsock, so winsock space reset. So again, exactly as it appears on my screen here, hit enter on your keyboard. So it should say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So you would go ahead and restart your computer at this point. Again, like I said, restart your computer and then hopefully that issue should have been resolved. If you're noticing a whole bunch of websites are having this problem, it's probably going to be an issue on your computer. But if it's just one particular website, there's likely an issue with that one particular domain. So just keep that in mind, guys. So this is more of an overall thing if you're browsing everything and nothing is working. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.